The natural fuels formed from the remains of living organisms buried under the earth long, long ago are called fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuels. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they were formed by the decomposition of the remains of plants and animals buried under the earth long, long ago. Fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources because once all the fossil fuels are used up, they will be gone forever. These fossil fuels cannot be renewed because they have taken millions of years to form under the earth, and once the reservoir of these fossil fuels is exhausted, we will not be able to replenish that reservoir. Then we have wood as a fuel. Wood is a major renewable natural resource of energy. It is used for cooking and heating purposes, as in steam turbines to generate electricity. We use wood for cooking and we use wood to generate steam, and this steam is used to turn the turbines to generate electricity. The heat generated by burning of wood can be put to use for a variety of uses. We can use this heat that is formed by the burning of wood in a variety of ways we can use it, but during burning of wood, gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are produced, which are undesirable and which are very dangerous to our lives. Wood एक ऐसा फ्यूल है जिसको हम बहुत अच्छी तरह से आसानी से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ अवेलेबल टू अस ईजीली, पर वुड के बर्न होने से, लकड़ी के बर्न होने से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस और कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड गैस, ये दो गैसेस निकलती हैं और ये गैसेस बहुत हार्मफुल हैं. दे आर वेरी वेरी हार्मफुल फॉर आवर हेल्थ. So, use of wood as a fuel should be restricted only for very few limited use. The wood should be taken as a fuel. Otherwise, we should limit our use of wood.